Hey all, it's Neil with NeilSarap Barbecue, and today we're going to be making my version of a Filipino Inasal Manok, which is a chicken, barbecue chicken essentially, Filipino style. And today we're going to be using my lemon pepper rub in the marinade, as well as my Asian rub in the marinade. So let's get started on making this marinade.
All right, I need to borrow a couple of these.
Now we're going to make our marinade. This is going to be for every 1 pound of chicken. We're going to add about 1 tablespoon of ginger, fresh ginger, 1 tablespoon of garlic, a half a cup of fresh lemongrass, finely grated or chopped, half a cup of apple cider vinegar, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, a half a cup of 7-Up or Sprite, a quarter cup of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of my Gourmet lemon pepper, and 1 tablespoon of my Damn Tasty Asian seasoning. And we're just going to mix this up, and then we're going to add it to our chicken in a Ziploc bag. All right, we just have a little package of chicken legs we're doing today. So what we're going to do is we're going to take these chicken legs, clean them up a little bit, and then we're going to cut some slices into it to allow for the marinade to get into the chicken. Just like that. And then we're just going to place them in a Ziploc bag and pour our marinade on it. We're just going to get our marinade up in there. Now we're going to put this in the refrigerator for between 2 to 3 hours, but no more than 3 to 4 hours tops. You do not want to put this in the refrigerator overnight because of the acidity from the lemon juice and the vinegar. It'd just be too much for it, and you're actually going to end up cevicheing your chicken, just kind of chemically cooking it. So no more than 3 hours on this marinade, and it's going to be perfect. And once we get that out, we're going to go get our grill fired up and get them on. We've got our kettle grill set up now. We have 2 cooking zones. We have our charcoal set up on this side, and then we have our indirect side with no charcoal lid underneath of it on that side. So we're going to go ahead and get our chicken out. It's been marinating for 2.5 hours now. We're going to go get it set up here. Man, it smells so good. We're going to get this set up, cooking indirect right now, and we're going to go ahead and get it covered. We're going to go ahead and get our vents set, so this will be running between 250 to 300 degrees. We'll have it covered. Let's go ahead and get back inside and get our baste started. For our baste, this is going to be pretty simple. We're going to add about a quarter cup of butter or margarine, a teaspoon of lemon juice or calamansi juice, about a teaspoon of annatto powder, and we have about a teaspoon of our gourmet lemon pepper. So let's go ahead and throw this in the microwave for a few seconds to get that melted down, and then we're gonna go ahead and take it to the grill and baste our chicken. We're gonna baste our chicken about every 10 to 15 minutes while it's cooking, and then we're also gonna baste it while we're searing it off directly over the charcoal. All right, we're gonna go ahead and get our chicken basted first time. This is marinade. Pan it on. And then we're going to get it turned over to the other side. All right, we're gonna get this covered back up, and then we'll come back in another 10-12 minutes and check on the internal temp of the chicken and give it another basting. Now the chicken's coming up to temperature. We're gonna go ahead and put it directly over the coals. And we're gonna give it a little bit of a baste. All right, get these things turned. All right, and there we have it. Our Filipino chicken inasal, NeilSarap style. Let's get a bite of this chicken here. That's outstanding. I got my family waiting to tear this up, and just want to thank you all for watching, and hope you subscribe. Look out for our next videos coming up soon. Hope you're having a great new year, and we'll see you soon.